This yellow filament is still giving me trouble. I've pushed the temperature right up to 228 now. At the moment it seems to be flowing well, but it failed on 225. That's down in the bin there. We'll find out in the morning. We're up to 34% at the moment, and it's 20 to 1 in the morning. I just want to use this yellow filament up now, get rid of it. So I'll be printing all sorts of stuff just to get through it. Hi guys, another aeroplane kit off Thingiverse. Pitts Special S1. It's S1 biplane by Extremer Angfanger. I don't pronounce that right. I have no idea how to pronounce it. Angfanger. Angfanger. Never mind. That's the number on Thingiverse. 4752245. I reduced it in size a little bit to get it on the print bed, but not much. I do rather like the look of it. I remember from my model aeroplane days as a youngster. I remember the Pitts Special. Don't remember whether I actually made one or not. I don't think so. But I do have a bit of a thing for biplanes. I like them a lot. This one is what they call a stick flyer. I think that's what they call it. This bit just here goes in the end and you fly around with it. So I was wondering whether I could possibly put a camera on my arm or something and film it. That's something to think about. He's even taken the time to give the edges a bit of a rounding, just to soften the effect of it all. So that fella's going to be on top. Because we've got the struts. I wonder which way round they go. So sitting there, I would think Yeah, that way round. Let's get them to fit first. I don't know. I don't know. Ah, there's smaller holes on the top, so it's got to be the way I put it first. Only fit one way round. Definitely should have put them on there first, just to get them to sit in their holes. Can you read that? There we go. And then, as I say, you put that in there and you fly around with it. Let's give it a try. Yeah, that'll do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.